Hello everyone and welcome back to What's in Jesse Cox's Fridge, part something. Probably 6. Here we go. So far, nothing. But we find something. A half-used pack of American cheese. Let's check if it's expired.
I just moved! Come on!
But it could be expired.
I literally just moved 24 hours ago.
Alright, it's good for another month.
You're the worst.
Down here is some salads, spinach, and this is sweet kale. Spinach and sweet kale. Nothing here or here, but there is tentacle grape, of course. Then we got Engelbjorg's honey mustard, Engelbjorg. Then we got teriyaki, Kikkoman soy sauce. What's this one? Nando's peri peri hot sauce. When does that expire? Not till 2017. He's good there as well. And some Cholula hot sauce. I don't really like Cholula hot sauce. And then some natural Smucker's marmalade. Moving up, we got some Philadelphia blueberry cream cheese, cinnamon sugar, butter, and some regular butter. Deer.
God damn you, Crendor.
Now this one looks like a Bob Ross painting. Very nice. Now, to the other side, we have vegetables. We got steamed fresh vegetable things. We got broccoli and we got corn. Main 3 vegetable food groups. Then some sort of vodka, which I imagine is used when reading YouTube comments. Then appears to be more vodka for more YouTube comments. And some freezer packs if he wants to transport any of these frozen foods. Really, that's it. So, reading Rainbow, kids. Reading Rainbow. Reading Rainbow.